show you guys something. And you're going to see it in a minute. There's one. Okay, they might go away, but hang on. Nope. So I learned something about hiccups.
You're making a YouTube video.
Watch this shit. Just wait. I'm gonna do it again. Usually I have two hands to do it. I pull on the sides of my tongue. Basically what you do is you pull your tongue down and out until you feel like you can feel that muscle in the back. What it does is it opens it up. And if you breathe deeply, at least 2 to 3 times, usually I count to like 20, 30 in my head. See any hiccups? It works. Works for me anyway.